Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your percentages into visual progress bars in Google Sheets. No apps. Script needed. Start with a simple table like this. Tip: make sure your progress column is formatted as a percentage, otherwise the bars might not show correctly. In a new column called Progress Bar, type this formula. B2 is your percentage cell, 40%. 20 is the maximum length of the bar. Press Enter and drag the formula down for all rows. You'll instantly see your percentages turn into visual bars. Try different characters like this or this one for a unique look. Change the 20 in the formula to make the bars longer or shorter. And that's it! Instant no-code progress bars in Google Sheets. Check the description for the formula and sample data, try it yourself, and make your spreadsheet look amazing. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more quick sheet tips.